Did you know that businesses spend thousands of dollars on automated chatbot solutions? And you can provide these services using AI tools like ChatGPT and Botpress, Rocket. Today, I'll show you how to build and sell AI chatbots for businesses, no coding required. The power of AI chatbots. AI chatbots are revolutionizing customer service. They save businesses time, reduce costs, and provide instant 24/7 support. Imagine helping businesses handle customer inquiries while you sleep. Why businesses need chatbots. 24/7 instant customer support reduces workload for human agents, increases sales by engaging visitors, saves thousands in operational costs. And here's the best part: businesses will pay you handsomely for setting up these bots. ChatGPT versus Botpress, which one to use? There are two fantastic tools for chatbot development, ChatGPT and Botpress. Which one should you choose? ChatGPT 1. Best for conversational AI and advanced responses. 2. Can be integrated with websites, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. 3. Requires API integration for automation. Botpress 1. No-code platform, easier for beginners. 2. Works with multiple messaging platforms. 3. Customizable chatbot workflows for simple chatbots, use Botpress. For powerful AI-driven solutions, go with ChatGPT. How to build and sell AI chatbot services. Step 1. Build the chatbot. Use Botpress or ChatGPT API. Train the bot with FAQs, scripts, and business info. Test responses for accuracy. Step 2. Sell your service. List your chatbot services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Approach local businesses that need automation. Offer monthly subscriptions for bot maintenance. Pricing strategy: charge $300 to $500 per chatbot setup. Offer monthly maintenance for $50 to $200. Target businesses, e-commerce stores, restaurants and hotels, gyms and fitness centers, real estate agents and local service provider. AI chatbots are the future of customer service, and businesses are willing to pay for them. So why not start your own chatbot agency? Subscribe for more AI business ideas, and let me know in the comments, would you start a chatbot business?